Live on Adom TV and when you go to our share no bia obiano and pay mamo achen mamo akwaba e dey abadwumadi ne so dwumadi no e Agoro form last week ye ko secondary takrade nti wa hu me wa ha na me ko a journey to the west we say shefo a journey to the west nti na ye kwa kohwe de e ko so e western region na e ko western region no enema bebre ye na me ko hu ye a chere say uhwema and said the best comes from the west. Nti yakọ western yaba. Mebo western komo kakra. No one said here hodom so esitie. Medi di kwadwo mensa moshosho. GH kwadwo. Ghana fo nyina kwadwo. Abusuafo munta mechi. Binim say ofie a otie dwumadie no ana wa adwumam. Ba bia wo bia wotie no ye da asese wa kai so de wa fidie no beto Adom TV. No ahwe Agoro ne form. Now, my guest, Crowdo. So many issues affecting Ghana football. Clubs no go so fear, they are not playing football. Ghanaian clubs no fear, they are not playing football. The Ghana Premier League, you know, I can see same. Women football, I can see same. Juvenile football, I can see same. FA Cup, I can see same. FA Cup, I can see same. Everything in Ghana, I can see same. See, I make say. Ofre Ghana ni bia nim da ye be hye football no ase ade ba ko a ha ye nyina ene se kwan ba so ne be fa so a ye be ko ye nim na football asan aye adwuma e wo Ghana biom sa asembisa mabisa yi bibisa obia o de adwenkyere eba eso obia ne nadwene e wo kwan ye be fa so a ye betumi na yakoye nim anopai ye be san di hu komo English Premier League, you know, Ashase, and Manchester United Bobo, and then Ibakoso, or China Ibakoso. Enti, a pro football no Ashase. Yanya born there, Ayep Monai. Enti, the English Premier League, the Spanish La Liga, the Italian Serie A, German Bundesliga, French Ligue 1, and other leagues. Ewo Europe, you know, Ekoso den. Yeah, you know, Ayefa, Ena, Yeko. Master Banson ewa hadamo na fe Ibrahim Babangida eso ewa meni omo chance na bi nkomo ya hwe sede enema esifa ekoso ewo Ghana football no emu already no other sporting disciplines no asofa say ye free hodmo e dia baba e dia be bata ye football no na yigina ba bi yigina Banson ene Babangida akwaba
yeja
na mo say
na madam
ya boko there
on the football side and yaboko sir no and said yaboko and when you over room you could see movement ube who say a ball best 6 going no ye ko ye ball baby yeah no from me free sakama ko ube say boys agada ube nipa be 10 15 no mu twa kwam omu move direction be here ball near
a replica justice no
near
colors
no then show your fan maybe you know nam second year everybody is talking about football
and me call shop bi ana me kotade because you na ye English Premier teams no justice be bregu ankofo efuntem a na bisa sa dan amuso Premier League no e hye na omo per replica justice a omo de beko ase ya ave no ha ya a che se enya asem ketwa
bia
endo a ende mo de Premier League ya ba de ne yenka kakra yenka abrofo de kakra masabansi yenka abrofo de kakra because you see abrofo no yade ba ye no ase ye refie ho ye Ghana ye refie ho utiase endo a Premier League no Manchester United game in Senegal
Mozo, I think say the overship free United honey the EPL no honey no here no. Especially on the first match day one, then you have one of the best teams in world football, Manchester, the best team in England, airball against Leicester City, Watton, Riyad Mahrez, United, most of the key players, anyone here. So that was I didn't know would be expecting. There was issues with transfer, Manchester, wine number, Mourinho concentrated a lot on centre back. Diego Godin, from Harry Maguire to Toby Adom to Jerome Boateng, and the last one was Varane, almost 100 million. So it tells you something. Say United Angasano, no money no asusa. Key players need to be called World Cup after no mobile. Now, I never acquired that Manchester for defenders, especially back four, no centre back. No say Mourinho at the Orient transfer not say we are centre back or Manchester. The coach really doesn't trust you. He doesn't really have confidence in you. They know how you are from Bailey to Smalling to for Jones to Marcus Roy. Obia Mourinho you better be no the to pair with him.
There's a job there. Or trust you be.
Yeah, that's the problem. And another watching the game, I just want Manchester fans to understand, say, it is Manchester as a team. Just Red and Airborne and United go anymore. The history of war, but there is a slight difference between Manchester and other top 10 teams, And now Leicester team or parody, where Manchester did or parody, the difference was very small. It was just it is the history of United or Manchester League, and I can say the team don't want to DHO. We can say in terms of money they have it. No more it's our history near them, but the difference in terms of player quality, it looks the same. So they should expect difficult season, and Emojo can be any match they won in Premier League. It is City to lose. It is City to lose the trophy.
It is City to because the one can buy banner. Babangida or say it is City to lose the
only way United team be better is Liverpool. And also they should lead after match day 10 with points, not point. The moment they chase City, it is City to lose.
Okay. Babangida, your take on the start of the Ghana you see, it is the Ghana Premier League.
Yeah.
On the start of the English Premier League, and the European season as a whole.
Yeah. Ajakojo, I mean, share with you for na one particular area and so for show pie was okay. Some 91 never da kuma frame so bia muku ha.
Wow.
Mo general cleaning.
I'm so comfortable.
Exactly.
What's it for Sam 90?
Sam 91.
And I have Fabio.
And Fadaku.
And
the Black Off.
And the Black Off.
Omo BM.
Exactly. At the moment you are watching us.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
General cleaning also Koso.
Cleaning was
exactly.
Babangida, thank you.
Yeah. GH say o share the English Premier League e kame koyese. Say ube hiam penimfo betimi aye football. You don't necessarily need him penimfo a grab powers where it be. Say ube huni say we UEFA vice president, ube TSO FIFA council. But Richie Skudemomo has not been chasing this, but they think beyond the boss. I say yes, start season. Now Ube who says yes, started season to send Kenra. Now still transfer window. No, that's why transfer activity because no, it distracted several players in the dressing room. So I say English teams that have come to realize that no, for the first time in 2018-2019 season, let's come to a compromise. Say yeah, best start the season 24 hours to kickstart the transfer window shuts. So all the 20 Premier League clubs are now concentrated on their dressing room, and that is a big plus for the EPL.
Yeah, this is the first time.
This is the first time. So, and the Tottenham Hotspur manager Mauricio Pochettino, the Yemun Shishino, Paul Pogba, all Barcelona is now a nightmare for Jose Mourinho. For all you know, Papaya Oba, Chelsea, Mauricio Sarri, and the transfer activity are ending. Probably all the coaches, and I think so it is a step in the right direction. Secondly, Enra over the Manchester United game. For me, Jose Mourinho in the 90 minutes, throughout the 90 minutes, Jose Mourinho and me and Mame any recognizable style of play for Manchester. I bet you differ say a week one, and probably as the days are going, me I tactical
United.
Yes. This is his third season in a row, and last season happened to be the first time in Mourinho's career. The second season has stint with the club went to me Ange the league title, and it tells you said retrogressing in performance. Mourinho, look at the squad, Okuta. I bet you differ say the likes of Chris Smalling, or Marcus Rowe, or Phil Jones, or Eric Bailly, and probably over to me promote some of the juvenile players from the academy. But now still throughout the transfer window, Mourinho to and now Harry Miguel, Toby Adverdi. So throughout the transfer window, no, apart from Fred, I was signing, no, probably went to me and yet anything. It was merely disturbance. And and Manchester winning over Leicester. Me and Faber so what the now Mourinho and the players. Even though Paul Pogba and say problem war in the opening 3 minutes with me opening the score sheet about Manchester. But history should be congratulated for. Manchester United since 1995 and lose on the opening day of the Premier League.
Okay,
even David Moyes here, near Phyllis and Nieman Koye in his era, won probably the opening day Premier League. Luis Van Gaal, Obia, so Mourinho all winning and young. And even in the EPL, this happens to be Mourinho's 9th match day one fixture in the Premier League. What me are winning a move 7, I draw twice. So Jose Nankasa history a favor, no, and that is why Madrid me say Manchester that 2-1 because had it not been Luke Shaw at the 3rd minute addition one, Nanka who said 90 plus 2 because if had the equalizer about and Kaini and Jabeto Old Trafford. So and not 2-1 there I can't make tensions. But Mourinho, Emma Manchester United, a recognizable style of play.
Okay, but you say season, no, a very tough season.
Yeah.
Because from City to United to Chelsea to Arsenal to Liverpool to Tottenham
to Everton.
Everton for some beautiful signings. Eh?
Yeah, I think that Everton should have a moment of top 4. Not the end of the season, but a moment of top 4. Say, baby, some of that top 4 will be paying.
Okay, yeah, but now you can't the European season no. But you better see Agoro from Sunday and I want to go to Adom TV nearby a dime waba. Live on Adom TV and when you go so our channel, you go so Eddie Jumadian, Bromedian, Quajoman, and Samo Show. So just a quick one, Babangida and Master Banson, English Premier League, whatever. Me both teams, you know, Liverpool, United, City, Arsenal, Chelsea, Tottenham. 6. Master Banson quite the Everton can.
Yeah. Emotionally, I'll go for Chelsea.
Because you're a Chelsea fan.
Exactly. But meritocratically, City deserves to retain the title.
Merit.
On merit, City deserves to retain the title. But emotionally,
your heart goes for
exactly,
Chelsea.
Exactly.
Okay. Master Banson.
Mojo, City Pejibio is City to lose. But Munya 100 points mark no. Liverpool.
But Liverpool she shit team.
The only way Liverpool between Agent said they should lead the league log after match day 10. Because teams need to be in settle here. You have to lead by points, not point. At least 4 points will be okay.
And that is November you are talking about.
Yeah, so that Manchester City will start so much chase you. But City I don't think Liverpool have a character. City winning 2 o'clock, over 4:30 winning. City winning a day before, but no, they can't do that.
Okay. Observe you can't English Premier League in kakra you go so air 12 so na yema no under 20 Ghana your national team no wouldn't say liaison team no buying any FIFA they buy no omo mandate any say one more running a male football so they are running I say male football they should run national teams na yenja domestic football asembisa me trauma me guest a very simple question before ansana yakov a France tournament na kasa so is it possible say be run national team football without local football say oh liaison team mo dwuma ne say mo de mo hwe ma national teams no mo ball na emu no your local clubs in there and come on over to chain. Is it possible to do that? To detach the two or to link the two? Because players never clubs no. Oman you from number national team no. So how can you play international football and not play local football? Is it possible?
Not even in France. Nations Academy between developing players na more so that my players don't back for my when the players are not playing for their clubs one base they quite good one more call up. So how do you determine call up in terms of super free players now? And I always use this I say the same go for ye ko ye bi but nya say ye ko ye bi na ko ye bibi. So we are interested in just going to major tournaments, not going there committed to our goals to win something. And that is a play. If you are really going there, say, oh, person called GBB, your club should function. Now, I ask myself this question: say, a dear parentina, and us expose any buying the in a beam. it was a Blasters issues with money. And the Blasters, the national team. And your club, me say do 19 and ask why this expose that. Me say you kotokoni and say be able to come chase intra. And a government at 18 in how na woman Ghana football and your clubs da. National teams na. Sika na say this started from Brazil 2014. And then a man for some other be omo ka say Blasters discussion men fa hwe mani ade. Yan kan say aduane discussion men fa bibia mada. So that is the reason. So if you really want to reform, if you really want to catch something off, it should have been the national teams. Now, let's come back to another point. Say, say Black Queens form Kokubui. Say, I'm from the Aqua ladies, you know how I decided some religion players now. I think the government have no right. Because, let's say, under 17, sorry, under 17 boy. Say, Kobana say, clubs and yes, some religion players, the government do right. Because the under 17, under 23, and you're mandatory for clubs to release players. But when there's under 20, national team there, yes, so Timija Momokobo. But in this case, I say, only as I say, I can't know who did you put to you. I was assassin, and where are we going? That's my biggest problem. Yeah. I think NIPA 2 as a liaison team for reforms is not enough. No matter how great knowledge or more in terms of football normalization, it is not enough to me. There are other folks that we really don't know, baby. Maybe since as I'm with a friend, but now I'm a catcher. Fitianas, yes, but the young call class, and be 3 months, you're 3 months, over about 60 days.
June.
Yeah.
July, August.
Over 60 days. You're free in your buying. Say, I can't see the ground and you start a cabana. We should have been somewhere F and I be a baby. But young co baby and free baby. We are always hoping. So a bamba, yama, bamba, any idea. Why we can only do the same thing? Maybe I mean, Tia Cratcher said, no, now Papa call Amado. Oh, Papa.
Sports minister. Our sports minister.
Yeah. But he tells me, say, there will be some common if you about they should football for Kamum Kaka. We can never go say and more at the Ana Banching one in a jab bunch of phone win. We even call to the stand here from Mama Banching Comudia no more a good bunch no be and fertilizer because they know better. And I'm not saying say the FN Nipa be yen a yan be an old video mubia did wrong. Okay, I see you film. But yeah, we had diminution football. Football started from the clubs no. And even Germany, born or 1954 World Cup with amateur players, will not go to any tournament with an amateur player. And why are we doing football? Say, national team in Mummy, that means you pass a call and it's come back to the square one. I say, FA for the comedy in Confodin. Say, I pass a call, Bibia. Now I'm more born as a national team in Korea and Conformity, you show to Quantake. That's what I'm doing. Okay, now, Master Banson, may I say, Ibrahim Babangida, your national teams, Bobo. You remember the performance of the Black Princesses of France. 2 matches, 8 goals. I can say, match, the last game we are, one more Ebefi. Girls with Tifi are one more Embobo. Because on the day now, you hear us video, na yet Tuesday. No. I think Wednesday or Thursday, no, not man call matches, FA Cup matches, and I saw more. And they abandoning in Abyssinia. Onkola nkeke bo bia ye settle liaison team no their mandate is to see to international football say princesses for nkobo ball satellite nkobo ball but team na obebo amede hu ne say is a good player me friend in there and the area to nche. Can we do international football without domestic competitions ana?
GH once again, my main chair or for now, me bisa me who say, what are the reasons they constitute a leg? I think it's basically the 2 reasons. One, over leg, and they selected the best out of your leg to represent your national team based on their ages. And through the leg, who said this is a very quality or a good player. I mean, both sexes say about the male league and the female league. Ball league primarily to fish out the best to represent our national team. And secondly, about the league, a merit winner from the league. They are probably representing the country on the continental front. I mean, per the CAF regulation, you a quota. Say, as a Kotokone, Africa, Ashanti Gold, Africa, you a quota out of the registered players that must be Ghanaians by citizenship across Europe, baby. So these are the reasons why a ball league. Now, obey a liaison team. And I think 12th of August, and 11th of August. So metimi aka ne say and exactly 65 days after the announced expose. 2 months 5 days ni ehia na yeko ehu say yeko yanim ye ban yachi na ya form a liaison team say ono no unforesee the management of the national teams without playing domestic league. So how come did they even do the selection? Because being a player, maybe in the last 3 months you could have adjudged say oh, you're one of the finest players you could think of. But in the last 2-3 months inactivity, everything aka chene up, I'm an be redundant. So yeah, call the tournament no. Na me hu say Ghana nearby you are won in 20. Now I qualify for a tournament to France. Na ne man ni fear by before you name so nunsu ko France no. Now because onja kwa wa ha no. And that is the only reason why we represented the tournament.
Okay, so
because in the last 65
interested going there.
Yes. Say ye ko bie you see basigi a all France na the media officers did dey chire and nkofo na Ghana fo a tese ye ko abrochire dey then that's a chart na to but other than that na ye preparation ye dey call mine no mankasa no was it called for and now you say ye call campaign e was Spain and dey chair you say abrogated that campaign and dey chair ye call pram and now ye call her even flying to France you know it took them as a akabe 3 or 2 days to kickstart the tournament against a host nation France all competitive women football. Netherlands are over competitive women league with the crew. So I think say performance ready you can eat your cake and have it back.
Okay, because local football now, yembo now.
Yes.
A man in bobo.
Yeah.
A man in bobo.
Yeah.
And I pay me, but I'm you see Bazigi, the voice be or can say oh, nya effect be or my one so. Now you obey the mood out girls in Roma. Oh, they are in a very good mood.
And then any effect be almost.
Born I am model. Any the pram no man content. The preparation is not shut center.
So now say oh my born any effect be out. Why do
you asema wuken? I will always give thumb up to Wilfred Osei-Palmer. Say, young coaches are never ready anywhere near our national teams. With due respect to some of them are airborne home. But your coaches is Subaya, Yamia Patao, the emotion and passion back answer my power. Because who coach our competition? Who say 65 days your players and I inactive with it, you know, and your effect to be our so. Are you a coach?
Basically, does he really know time a player quite picking a a season can start here.
Yeah.
It takes a number of games and what me start to pick your form. You don't just start and now here Manchester for Pogba your timing is about 60 to 78 minutes in the film. Because the brand of the World Cup Lukaku about so many games for World Cup. You man so about the last 10-20 minutes. Fellaini was the last 10 minutes. So it is something that football moving beyond your coach, you know.
And those are recovery exercises.
Football moving beyond that.
Yeah.
And it's based on scientific and everything. So if you're a coach and you tell me say oh, my boy, any effect. So they don't go and play the football at all.
No, France now come. You see, but
that's what I'm saying. We are interested in going to major tournament.
Yes,
we are interested in going to major tournament. Because committed to the goals to win something.
A coach now onimu na juma and committee me aka say that be competition there. You come as a formality. Make I say you have come 2015 after the devastation in Brazil. Yes, and let's go and do well. But coach, I will play competition 65 days here. My what it feel?
Maybe. And I asked a very simple question. Did we prepare the girls for success or for failure?
Never.
And the answer is, it shows clearly, say, any effect on Ghana football. But as to how we move forward, you know, anybody be say, Yaba Abedru. Na Amadou Mojifa, and Amadou Mojifa, also a football analyst or a football fan, and an Agoro hopa. Amadou so adjoining discussions, no. I don't so I didn't hear ever. Amadou be able to there.
To find a coupon man be able to come show.
Amadou.
Mo.
But game no need you home.
Game no manage you.
Manage you home.
Manage you home.
Team Ben support you.
Me a house of folk fan.
We house of folk fan. It is football na enkoso no. Me nobody home enkomo. But also a businessman.
Yeah.
Ese ma draw num kakra so dey say. Ese ma draw num kakra on TV so.
Only how.
So dey say. The business ben aye.
O business I me mo show dey di kan me ton sase.
Ton sase.
Ton sase.
Oh I say sase no wo bebre
ope ni ekesa menye bia ma na enye so se mi ton sa se keke me no mi to fi ahifofo mi di mi amisika ene to mi ana ma form mi company a mi to na ma ton en so obi wo ho si mi ton sa se ba obekom no ebia na sa se ne da ho no no akofa no se mi ton da bi nya sa na mi ko no
tema di wa koto
mi di botom sa bibia ho makoto na mi so ma yeden na ma ton
yaso we say dan so
mi sidan we have full control omo ni mi omo abrochi ma ye juma ma nipa bebre and at the same time it turn blocks block factory
yeah construction
yeah at the same time the mo juma ye nantwi battle
o sa turn nantwi
yeah nti
wo ye nantwi
mi ye nantwi pa
oh amadu ye heavy
bebre
oh ye heavy but then the football too much
bebre by say football no ama nipa e basa
football no
because ye yan hwe bi kra de year 2000 na has ni kotoko ball no kra pur kakra ye hunu ene no enti sa David
the year 2000 o hwe
me satam na we bi a you saw a friend workman
that time
workman round one bi no enu na me di tie commentary pa
na
shemaso di sa time omu boss abo na em say amakwa mreku tea friends economy house no
da bi kumasi
ayatete enya easy me we na shemaso me yi to twini e kra because na just me hu say agona akwa wieye prekupa miti anago wo fa na enya easy na me papa ya kotokoni
o papa ya kotokoni
me papa inti sada am ye house inti say kotoko share house say amini ahuto o sere me pa
but say na ye ka say football ko fom no on say da bia ye ka say football e ko fom Ghana football na asay ansana even anas video you cry eba but o share 2005 because some okay January 2005 near ball final match no come I was at the stadium
13 years
I ran commentary that day na 30 years ago 2005 January na me I ran commentary myself what you say and say o compare that time to the time ye ka say football no come na
enukre so see the say kra moshu I say because to the extent say wa hwe ene has ni kotoko e bobo kra ubeko stadium na kwa didam na first time sa ball so be kai won say supporters ni koya ma bi ko free war e ma kotoko panyi bi e fa em say ade bi e baller
enuka sa match ko dey different different
as na obanya ni sa na
ene e fe zoom lion no
ene obanya ni sa unya ebi ni ho ene de ball ni de moshu asay akofom kra intimidia guno mu gunu ndi me support
guna yi gunu no
oh me support
okay but remember babajida wakofa gu ayi gunu abaro wonu say to resolve the matter no I bit me akoye ni na nyina ye kan football say one time na football baba back no to resolve the matter no I say obiara wo kwan onam so gakafo afa kwan bebre so now you see a could be a friend of Ghana National League clubs. I would say a club owners pay. Also and they almost petition at their comma FIFA. Say the current ESCO no omuni GD e womu. And the Gaka on the stand. Ghana National League clubs I want to stand. The executive committee now want to say yema womun twice so I want stand. And indeed, currently, Wamo are filing a suit against the Attorney General or Supreme Court. And also no, and once a day, and daho. Just say, see a case, ye Supreme Court as 7 o'clock. Now, just a big jai a binding decision to dissolve the Ghana Football Association at the High Court. Now, ye Supreme Court did that way because, as could say, on take a see ruling na a free high court hoba you know say yenfa injunction and to omuso no eti as a confusion no aye basa now the decision by club owners to form this Ghana National League clubs okay now one more passive vote of no confidence in the executive committee now yen dissolve no how do we move forward it's a way I imagine GA committee on Tuesday.
Ay, GH. Na just say o fire football no. We na tete for ka say breachy. abomai a football no breach ye aboy we are heading we are in a tragedy we are in a disaster we are in a crisis ache say o dwe ho a enti ni ame de mi su de friend say said me ne Dr. Kofi Amoya adwen say baby adu no ye hia say nyansafo na emra on board o nyini pe be dede GH hwade Gaka anka ni abai the welfare and the mother body of the clubs senka Gaka ye very effective Gaka jirana naso Gaka no ewo a true representation of the football investors senke menya the Ghana National League clubs Gaka na ba be ye a body bia team GH Kojo FC ewo ebi abekwai and next Tuesday Gaka shia and the bank ruler of the club Mr. Amadu why ni busy na nantwie ewo baby e also kohwe omo and wo chi ne clients e fia ma no ne be pensa ase ne adan ato a it's a matter of say wo frɛ baba bi phone say baba my mobile money 50 Ghana ma fafa drop in na come Gaka ni team ma me so Gaka ni ko shia uba benye nipa bi a edidi wo football ho a football ni di wo ho and they meet at the Gaka. But I'm beginning to see, say, the Ghana National League Club Association, you know, the true investors, one way they will seek out one getting a share football. So I have me says yes, the Ghana National League Clubs Association here. Mr. Keto Kreku will probably not send his administrative manager on Accra rep, knowing very well, say, what is a Togba? His honor, Professor Kwame Chain, one can say to the Nayaba. Ebia what is another ma hene kwa na ebia hinyi me mane ma ni general manager Mr. Jaunu ankasa na ni CEO problem Mr. Kwame tutu na Nayaba. So you have a true representation like the group Samo Mr. Baba Gedomo the investors or Sepa Mamo George Freemo they represent the Ghana National League clubs and no the obenya the true investors of the people na niame culture the esco ne se ye ujai na wan ujai na basa kojo niesi enenye bi niesi yenya the Third Republic headed by Dr. Hilary Liman in 1979 GH mo de mo yempelin fo kakra enti abra 31st December 1981 ye ku stage PNDC stage ku a ye tu Liman Mabangu ye no ye benya parliamentarians bi okuro ma
they said the school
by the parliament no ended by force majeure they benya the Second Republic headed by Professor Buzia and ye nim say the late GH Mensamo ne former president Kofor me ye mrase bedwafo ye ku ne Kofor do papa ye ku no, so parliament doesn't exist again.
No.
So the ESCO must understand.
And in this instance, this
is a civil. How do I say? This is a civilized blended with the media uprising against the FA. I don't know. A Gina Sosa by say no cranty. A sending Bonia Majama football. Now mo call mandate to say produce, manage and administer football. Now a football now be an obscene emblem of scandals upon scandals. You mean good no? And this is we escort. How you don't say we know a parliament
but they're still holding themselves in office.
Oh, because you mean nye but obi a parliamentarian ne to say be am MP Major de Ikoduru onim say nyame mpangu se ku si na onye MP bi enti di enti na esco foi yes association no ankasa wo esco no ye gu no ye do man no mra kunini no ankasa gina so ya find official liquidators mo japade na ye ton price ye nyini asset into money dem say ye liquidate no a ye be ye feed this table and quantify it into money na ebi ye register a new federation bi ebi a Ghana Football Federation na ebi a say sika no na
the essence of that is key the essence is it important and is that the way to go a key but Amadu Sasem ya aba ye kan wasemi club owners no so adwuma I was saying league clubs no association no ga kan ye no and the club owners na agya league clubs not one mo ena wo akofro mo Ghana National League clubs actual petition I remember na utie me this week I've spoken to a lot of club owners Alhaji Grunsa Baba Gedo Mickey Charles Kwakupama, Abdul Salam, all of them, Randiabe, all of them are signing this document saying passive vote of no confidence in the executive committee. The same time now, executive committee now so Supreme Court what challenge the Attorney General and the High Court decision. And you know, me major issue they say the children who are sitting at home. I did a rough calculation, Amadou. Me a rough calculation.
Okay.
Your 16 Premier League clubs. My father say we are employ nipa 50. 30 players, officials, referees, what do you call it? Technical team here there. No more the plan by Baba Jida you multiplication man.
GHMS
50.
50 800. 16 times 50 is 800.
800, very good. And now 48 Division 1 clubs. Almost so Obia employ 50 because almost employ 30 players plus the technical team.
The same as the Premier League. The almost 50. That will be 2,400.
2,400.
Yes.
But your 2,400 and all the kind of
3,200.
3,200. Ghana for.
Because this is about 70%. We don't want just a rough estimate. Because you and I say every club employs more than 70 people.
Yeah, but they are 50.
Yeah.
Ghana for. You can't unemployment in this country. Now, 16 Premier League clubs, so be employed in 50, 800. 48, will be employed in 50, 2,400. It means that the Premier League and the 48 Division 1 clubs alone employ 3,200 people.
On average.
On the average. And this is what
Unco Division 2. Unco Coast. Unco Academies. Unco Women Football.
You are talking about in excess of 10,000 people. And we are joking with the lives of these young men and women.
Mosho,
how many lawyers do we have in this country? Would they be up to 10,000?
Mosho, say, we say, a man is saying so, and ye. The entire me cancer and say, one say, Shabia, yes, 30 years, as 10 years, yet me, yes, dia good offense and play, say, the couture players, and no so called an intokwa.
Yeah.
Nti se sa anyo mani ACC na se esi ye jai sa nkrofo na se omuntena hon ma ye wo ye ho enye yi nti gu no mogu ni de e right na mum no e wo se omuhwemi ye na me hwe bibi se aban no so adenti no ogu e fe ni sen board members no ti we no ogu no GF no aden no wan call e fe se omu ye owners of the team na oni omu enyere enhia
yeah
okay fine ti se ade abeni ti se amu a teams ni ye mudia no muna munnim ohawa moyeden mukom ansa na ebia sa problem because na ye nyina na ye tiam se ye wo problem wo na ye ngu ye fe nsen GF no nti sisi aban abem wagu no nti se sa dia wo se wo frɛ omo a teams ni yeden eye omo dia no na woni omo nyina yeden etena se se muna mo ye fe nsen sa field no so because wo politics na wo yeden wo ye nti wo ye politics no o so wo gi omo adwenkyerɛ na wo di ka dia wo so wo pese wo yeden wo ye no ho na wo di tu omo nim dia me pese me ye ni so omo hwe na se ebetimi aboa ye nyina because sa nkrofo ya se omo tifie omo wo yere womba
yes players Premier League
omo wo yere womba se omo be den obi obekọ stadium so akoto nsiu no a obenye bibidi akohwe ni ma ono so ya den aka onya bebi anya den enko biom fine but the best thing me ma adwinkyere no ma adwinkyere no se sanka wo so nko ko owners no ho na oni omo etnase na oni omo ye nhihye omo mfa omo adwinkyere anya den emfa mra na nka on hwe kwan ombefa so nka me we no sa we na we league na ye bon de na nka ye njai na mo new season no na nka ye hwe na se be delay ya ye organize some tournament bi na nka omo bubwa fine say ye be unsa fede ya hihye bibie ewie edin na obi a register won ono ani din mu no ye ye free ho ye de bia Ghana din na atu so na se asemesi din na se din we na de atu so nti se de e bia next year na ye be den ye be start omo nyina me fa se team owners na tiase aban no so ba ya ready so obetumi abo omo nye se bia wo wa begu nunu no wa jaye saa o so no so tumi ye den ebo omo no mo mu ska no mu dey organize some tournament bi no mu boa for the next ye fan say year no mu nhihye ye fan say league ni ye no mu bo na ye fe na nyina ye nsan ko back to stadium to say na ye ko no but say you see ye ja old one dey me dey hold dey when
we offer say esco for moment the esco for because esco for the position they say they must be allowed to say reform scrum pu bi na be ya e say allow wo mu no mo ye and the argument I mean nim wadwen kire wo ho de that okotre nko we ni mako ema aboa ponkyere ni onte hu fifi
but time na problem no so koso no na den no mutumi ye fa ho time na problem ni koso no
problem ben
na omo si ye disika football na say no so omo wo ho sa ta na no mutumi antiku
because argument na mo ye ni say kotoko onye eboni bia has onye eboni bia but
referee we are not complaining
was it
referee we are now or complaining ana
e referee no complaining
referee sina stadium disaster bad
I say any ya nti sabani say o hwe na yan solve saa de ni nyina say na be sebi nimpa enkonko wu biom a omunya abotre
it you say we must not allow because I clear said the battle lines has been drawn now Ghana National League clubs way a club owners and a for me Babajida and they say they don't want the football association esco for okay et you there me kwaba na yaba live on Adom TV and when you go so our share the Agoro from Jumadi and Ebrel or Babia will be a meeting the Quadro and Samo show. Amadu Mojifa ewa had more and I face Ibrahim Babangida so ewa had more. Now GAC afford take initiative B. You're discussing issues concerning Ghana football. GAC afford take initiative and they are meeting on Tuesday. Would say ade we buy nyano football for no. Amunya kwan and come as a minute will be a semi by football for a young quine come as a minute obia. The first 7-member committee are almost 2 said, Omukwa Banho, go and meet the sports minister Bekaya. Sports minister no and Gratimo and Grantimo audience. FIFA ba club ha. Omanyo opportunity. Abai call Switzerland football for any opportunity. So as we speak now, nobody has given audience to the football people. Only they say, and also a part of the problem that and could be a suitier and yadaje abuteki to a be football for sema a beer and kiaku edim kaka ana
yeah Mosho say o fire miracle ni credit here juma. Yes, no one is guilty until proven guilty. So now say they okay and not they a very bad omen for the government. Say Nipano Bonia Wayebia, give him a fair hearing. Monon Kasabi. At the end of the day, or can ask him na Antoine it will be before a competent jury. But say Bepimen 65 days and from sequence I will boy football for the kind say ya form that committee opoku ntimo say no munko shia government they were not giving the hearing
o esco dio
yeah
and you gaka de
ne wo yeah oh yeah and you gaka so tibie omo so ntimi anya the hearing exactly FIFA ba ha omo ntimi anya opportunity
FIFA ba when they attempted to go with they tell them say
yes,
it's yamra
on the day clubs nanka say the likes of Dr. Papa Sindiumu to fly to Zurich any FIFA and Georgia no they were all blocked at the entry at Kotoka omo ntimi anya that opportunity so ko you and no so dey e ka hu bi say for me e was say e bi aban no etimi ma football people hearing Les autres teams say in one way or the other we gave them a hearing because yeah more opportunity say or more anka some form against
les autres teams
les autres teams no they are buying FIFA put it in place
yeah but
so for me they are
the people the football people must talk to football people no les autres teams no is it how na say football for no kasa na
football for no per se omunya buying na kasa buying say you must meet the liaison team. Because then a football for Gaka the petition common minister say person minister ain't ready to share the football people. So if you for a second opportunity and a liaison team, yeah per se this time round, baby a person no more dialogue no is beyond imagination and your capacity. So we want to meet who mandated you the liaison team. Then probably I think that Dr. Kofi Amwa Otia Kentemo ebetumi am with good hearings aban this time round or more was here active between ye ne wo mu no say o mpeso ohia.
Okay. Now, Babaja me that say because of time Mama Amadu. Onye ni say branch say obi be tie football for asem. Mun tie asem kakra.
O asem tie ni de also tie o.
Aban tie kakra, FIFA tie kakra.
Say utie na say o hwe na say aba papa bi enimu a no wa yeden. No wa jetu.
Nti atenti na ye ntie wo mo.
Oh, honey, the internet see about the onya button on because me fan say me na me tomade no be abeto na problem aba say kokota ye be bisa me as de enti a eba ni sa nti wasa aba no so onya abutre no ye den o ti omo na o answer so hwe na say emmoa dia na je say wa ye den o dia gu baby e be boa nso ana de ye papa wo mu no wafa na mo dia ye aju
alright abusafo ye mre na so ye ba na wie ya ne sa na yakọ Amadu na wo so won sa se na bi da hin fa ne fa sa
o min sa se ne o kasoa e bi wa aboko bi na e fensen old nungo
sa ningo nyina
ningo nyina bi wo
ene Amadu enche bia this year dim birthday so ku na ntwe ba ko ma me
woni how ka je say woni wo de eno ani say unim say e bia next week na me ya
wa ka tro
na ma ye bibia
e bo number no ya
number no e 0547
number no say
0547
547
yeah 74 87
87
0547
74 87 this will be pass as ato no friend number we are
ni sabe kam o pass as ato e wo kwan ho o person dey filling station ana say o blocks say o di besi wudan ana say o wasase wo ho wakoto langa the for how be how o tete o unyo obi amwa wa o dey frame me
Amadu we have you at
me wa ko jina no ma hwe
but when you football unti you person football no back
yeah
what do you say we want football to come back na edu ko share na me ne dase ya yet me ko stadium akọ ball so ati ase Amadu we have you at okay
ti me emosho
ta maso
okay
na person dey na
dem person me kan say omo mi say omo problem no omo friend